Old Moon Lake Lodge. It's part of Pasco Rendezvous. We're going to go in and see what kind of pictures we can take. I'm just inside the gate, so I'll pan around here a bit. Of course, our car is right there. You can see what a beautiful spot this is. These big old beautiful trees, I guess, was quite the thing back in the 1920s. Right out there's Moon Lake Road. And around a bit over here. Don't know what you can see from here, but there used to be little cabins down here, but I don't know whether any are left or not. We'll see. Well, I'm down here where there's a pretty little pond or lake, and no one around here seems to know any history. They're just all young people directing traffic and parking and collecting money. I don't know whether it's a sinkhole or a little lake that was here, but I thought I'd just put it in the video. Here's what's left of those little cabins I mentioned before. The man told us, a man here told us that it was set on fire and burned. And that's all the details we have on it. But I've been here for auctions with the Historical Society, and it was a beautiful spot back then.
It was for the Boy Scouts or?
Same chimney or fireplace from another angle of one of the cabins. You can see Moon Lake out there in the background. They're going to have a regatta, boat regatta out here to raise money to restore this. And I'm glad they are finally getting around to do this, because it's a beautiful old lodge. There's a tent set up down there, and that costs you $2 if you want to go to the rendezvous. $2 to go inside. Cars out here. Don't know what they are. Hello? I'll take you home with me.
Yeah, sure.
I think this is a room where we had our dinner one time, the Historical Society, if I remember correctly. But they're beautiful old rooms. This is the spot between these two poles here where there used to be a fish pond. And they used to have a fountain in here with fish in. And you could come in and pick out the fish you wanted out of there.
Basically from Route 52 to Hitchcock Airport. And 7,000 of that was fenced. And they had a big, I believe it was an acre fence around. Because see what they did, they brought in a herd of 2,500 plus, supposedly, fallow deer from Europe. They had much bigger antlers and mixed with the local population.
In Lake Road, there's another lake. Is that also part of this?
On the other side, that was part of the hatcheries.
Is that considered Little Moon Lake?
That's Little Moon Lake,
Little
right?
Moon Lake?
That's Little Moon Lake, right? That's on the Dover property right now. Okay, you got an outlet here, and it runs through the whole all the beams. So all these beams are solid. What they did is they ran an auger down, and then they ran their electric right in there. Today it would be. Oh yes, oh yes. That's why everybody's paying $2 to help.
That's great, yeah.
You know, do this.
When this place is renovated, will it ever be opened again?
Oh, it's open right now. We've
It
done a
just as
wedding
a
already.
museum type, or will
Well,
it
we've
ever
done
be
a
open
wedding
for-
already.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah?
Yes, we've got a bunch of weddings booked. Basically, what we're trying to do with this place, we'd like to have maybe 4 major events a year. Okay, and then like this boat race, April boat race, that would be a major event.
Yeah.
All right, the rest of the time open it up for meetings, weddings, building association rented it June 17th for a softball game and picnic. You know, just things of that nature, basically.
Is that a room in there?
This here, well, this is the ladies' room, and this was just the door going out to the porches over here.
And this is upstairs or are these
Yes.
there nowhere?
Yes. There's 2 bedrooms and a bath up here.
Caretaker's rooms probably, at one time?
Hey, lady, what are you doing up there? Are you staff? Oh, okay, you're staff, okay. Just watch the holes. But up here, we believe was these bedrooms up here, there's 2 bedrooms and a bath. I think that was more for the management. You know, somebody stayed, a guest stayed on the grounds. This over here is 1 bedroom, but I think it was just 1 room. And we believe it was an office. They had a big phone system up there. There's all these rich, you know, gangster guys, when they needed to make a phone call, they wanted to get out. Get it out. Now, the reason we say that is over here. Let's bring the ladies in the men's room first.
I'm trying to follow them. I don't want to walk in a pole. It's pretty hard to do. I'm going to get faces and heads and...
That's a European style. I'll get out so everybody else can
Yeah,
get
and
in.
just stay right there. Stay right there.
Okay, here we
Come on in,
go.
ma'am. Come in the men's room.
Men's room. Okay. That's quite a
Simple,
handle.
unique. How many of this stuff will be burnt and thrown away and chopped
Right.
up, you know?
Oh, yeah.
These pictures we got from we found out who the last owner sold all the stuff, the antique dealer, when we got these pictures from him. But for Cypress St. Light Lamp, he's getting over $500 because it comes from this place with the history in that there. So for $500, we'll make our own. But this linoleum we will rip up. Right now, we're leaving it down until we get the roof fixed, because if it does leak,
Saving the floor.
it is saving the floors.
Does these doors go into where
This room
the
goes there.
doors are?
Room was pretty bad shape like that other room. The dishes. Back in that room there, where that door is, or